Trading Show. My name is Cameron Fickart here at Traders Network Club, and we're back at it. As you guys can tell from yesterday, we got in some all the trades. We were still holding the US CAD, and yesterday we profit all of them, baby. That's what we do here. We got our pips, and we're looking for some more opportunities in the market today. So I'll see you guys after this break. All right, welcome back, guys. So, man, we got out of the US CAD. We were holding there for a week, and we took our profits, and we got in 4 trades yesterday, and we took out 20 pip profits yesterday as well. So we're all clear and ready for today. Now, real quick, just want to give a reminder out here. If you guys have not checked FxBigDog's video yesterday, he had a live session yesterday talking about the Fed rate decisions. Okay, so go ahead and check that out on his channel, FxBigDog. If you have not seen that, he talks about the Fed rate decisions and what you need to do to prepare for that. Okay, so go ahead and check that out on his channel if you have not seen it. Good morning, John. Those were awesome trades yesterday. Yes, they was, John, and we're going to do the same thing today. We're going to end the week strong, okay? Saying it strong. So, let's go ahead and jump right to it, guys. Is everyone ready? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I want to say Tikas. Good morning, Tikas. Thanks, Cameron, Gary. I have improved my trading considerably, a difference like day and night. I like to give credit where credit is due. Thank you, Tikas. Thank you. Good morning, Gary. Good morning, everyone that's here. And let's go ahead and jump and see what opportunities we have in the market today, okay? So let's go ahead and start off with the Aussie CAD. You know what? I'm right here on the US CAD. So let's just take a look at the US CAD because I'm liking where this is setting up right now. Let me go ahead, take a look at the 1 hour here. Okay, so the US CAD has kind of broke through this strong resistance level right here, okay? It's broken through a strong resistance level. As you can tell, price has come up to this supply zone, and it comes back down, okay? Now, we did have a break over here. So this is a previous supply zone that I put over here that price could look to go at, okay? So going back to the 50-minute time frame, price could go ahead and reach this supply zone and could come back down. Now, for the new traders, because I talk about dollar cost averaging, for the new traders, if you guys haven't heard me talk about this, if we had to go and sell right here, and as price keeps moving up, okay, we're going to go ahead and sell and getting more entries. And as we do that, we have this step increase lot size as we start off with one micro lot, and every time we get into a new entry, we got an increased step lot size, okay? So that's how we dollar cost averaging in. And as we keep doing that and price wants to come back down, our target for my 20 pip sales here, it's going to keep moving up as price keeps going up and we keep dollar cost averaging. So once we come back down, we hit our target, okay? So with that being said, we're going to go ahead. We're just over a previous resistance. So we sell at resistance and we buy support. And price could go up to this previous resistance, this previous supply zone, which is fine if we sell because as price goes up, we're going to dollar cost average in, making us as price comes back down to go back to this supply zone. As price comes back down, we're going to hit our target and we're going to get in more entries. So we got the bigger gains. Everyone loves the bigger gains, right? So on the US CAD, let's go ahead and sell on this US CAD. And boom, just like that, using the Pip Hunter Trading Tool. It's just a click of a button, and we're in our trade. If you guys are interested in this tool and want this tool, go ahead and check out our starter membership on our website. It's all in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out if you're interested. Good morning, Donnie. Good morning. So let me just check something here. Okay, Robert. I have a message from Robert saying, just want to say you're doing a great job. Love the trades you pick. Keep up the good work. Thank you, Robert. Appreciate it, man. Glad that you are here in these trading sessions. Gary says already in from last week. You're still in the US CAD from last Friday, Gary? We just took our profits yesterday. Hey there, Ollie. Good morning, Robert. Okay. Yes, almost hit but turned around. That's interesting. Okay. Well, it's still gonna come back down. So no worries, Gary. You must have just got in a little late then, uh, compared to our entry. Donnie, Aussie JPY is going down. Please confirm. Yes, Donnie, we're gonna go through all these pairs, but the Aussie JPY you want me? Oh, okay, Aussie JPY you want me to go? Okay, we can take a look at the Aussie JPY at the end. Just to remind me. I do want to go through these 5 pairs that we do trade first. Okay. All right, so guys, we are shorting the US CAD, um, and we're gonna move on to the next one. Let's go back to the Aussie CAD here. Good morning, Fran. Glad you're here, Fran. All right, so okay, we had a little falling wedge. As you can tell, I had that trend line, so we broke through a falling wedge. Okay, price was at a demand zone, and now it's kind of in between support and resistance. Okay, so let me go ahead and just zoom out here. Okay. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 15-minute time frame and see how much momentum this really has here. Okay. All right, let's see what price is doing here. So, using I'm just trying to see here where price broke through. Okay, so this is where price broke through. Oh, actually, if I go back a little more, okay, no, price did not break through there. Okay, so this is where price broke through, and price did not come back down. So that's very interesting. So if I see these lows here, as price starts making these higher lows, so price did break through this low. So let's see if price has enough momentum here. Let's go ahead and just check this out. So price broke through this low, say right here. Okay. But now let's see if it's enough. If it's enough momentum. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my box method. Okay. Let me just go ahead and zoom a little more here. Now I use this box method to see if momentum's strong enough to carry over. So I'm gonna go ahead and okay. So about like that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move this. And price is definitely broken through that. So what we're gonna do it right now, what I'm seeing is that price broke through this previous high this previous low right here. Okay, this high low. And as you can see, now what happens is price wants to come back up for liquidity, which is probably around like here. You can see all these auto blocks and these wicks where price likes to go for liquidity. And then once it gets there, we get momentum pushing it back down. Okay. Now let's see if I see any divergence or momentum here. Okay. So we do have it pretty flat here. So we do have an exaggerated divergence. Okay. Where price is flat. I mean, its momentum is flat and price is going down. Okay. So um, that actually shows us we actually have to look at it this way here. Okay. So right here, and it's flat. So that's actually showing us positive divergence. Very interesting. But now that does show us that price will go back up to test this. Okay. Price will go back up to test this. So let's see how many pips that is. Because price will go back up for liquidity. So we got that momentum for price to go back up to get that liquidity. It's 20 pips. Just right above these highs right here. Okay, it's just right by these highs. So that might be a little tight. It might be a little tight. Hmm. So we're gonna go ahead and buy. We're gonna go ahead and buy on this Aussie CAD as price is gonna make its way back up. Okay. Now, hmm, this is very interesting. You know, we're gonna skip the Aussie CAD. We're gonna skip the Aussie CAD. And we're gonna move to the next opportunities and just see what we have out here. Okay. We'll come back to that after. All right, so here's the Eur US Dollar. As you can see, I got a lot of stuff here from yesterday. The Eur Us Dollar is at its previous demand zone. So that needs to tell us everything we need to know. Look at that. We also have a breakthrough in the trend line. Okay. All right. So we do have a breakthrough on the trend line. Let me go ahead and zoom in here. Okay. So we do got some consolidation. What happens when we have this falling wedge? We get some consolidation. We get a breakthrough through the trend line, and that's the momentum that price is going to keep going up. And we're sitting just above the demand zone. So this is an easy entry right here to go ahead and buy. Okay. So for the Euro US dollar, we're going to go ahead and buy. Okay. So we're short on the US CAD, and we're long on the Euro US dollar. Now we are going to go back and check out the Aussie cat at the end. Oh, and by the way, guys, I am going to give a snippet of the Discord channel today. Okay, so I'm going to give you at the end. Hopefully, I don't forget, but I will go ahead and give you guys a little snippet of this Discord channel that I have that I've been building for you guys that we're going to be launching and start a pro. Okay. Real quick too, before we move on to the next pairs, here's a video here brought by our sponsor, ACAP. All right. There's there's ACAP right there. If you guys are interested in that broker, the link is in the description below. You can go ahead and check that out. All right. So let's go back to that Aussie CAD. Uh, all right. So I was saying that we should buy, right? But I don't. I think we're gonna miss that target. It's too tight for 20 pips. Okay. We got price. Aussie CAD. Okay. Yeah. Oh, this is 1 hour. So we do got price breaking through this. Okay. As price gonna keep going back to liquidity, I'd rather go ahead and sell. So as price does come back up to liquidity and goes a little further, the dollar cost average in. I just explained that in the last pair. So you have the concept of how we do this and how we run the strategy. Okay. So because price did break this previous high low right here, okay, when price came back down and broke through it. Uh, most of the time, price does come back up into this liquidity zone. Okay, so because we're at a breakthrough through the high low, we're gonna go ahead and sell because it's showing us momentum coming down. So let me just double check here something real quick. Let me go ahead and I've seen a pattern that I've seen before. I want to just double check here. Okay. So we are getting that exaggerated. Okay, so like I said, we have that price comes back down, and we have the momentum equal on those highs right there. So that is exaggerated bullish momentum there. Okay, so because of that, I know price is going to come back up for liquidity for sure. Okay, the price is definitely going to come back up here. Could even go over this liquidity zone. Okay, but even so. we implement dollar cost averaging, and that's what saves us. Okay, that's what saves us and gets us in those entries, and it's not a bad thing to go ahead and get more entries because at the end of the day, when you reach target, okay, you're profiting more. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and sell your on the Aussie CAD and go ahead and use our strategy. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Oops, oops, what did I just do there? Meant to cancel this. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and sell on the Aussie CAD. Bang. All right. There it is, guys. 3 trades in so far. Okay. Now, if you guys are watching this, please go ahead and smash the like button to support the channel. We'd really appreciate that. Ooh, excuse me. We really appreciate that. That helps our channel a lot for us to keep posting. Okay. And then as you go ahead and support the channel, smash the like button, go ahead and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Traders Network Club. And you can go as well subscribe to FxBigDog channel. Okay. And if you guys are interested in our professional membership, which is our best membership right now, it's the Pip Hunter Trade Replicator, and we're doing an exceptional job on it right now. We were over 150% last year, and we're on pace to be over 200% this year. Okay, so our Pip Hunter is doing phenomenal. Go ahead and check that out in our professional membership on our website. Okay, it's all in the description below as well. Now, we got 2 pairs left. We got the Cat Swiss and we got the New Zealand Cat. So let's go ahead and check those 2 pairs out. Okay. All right. So the Cat Swiss, New Zealand Cat. Oh wow, look at this Cat Swiss, baby. Whew, that thing was a drop off, huh? So looking at for the 1 hour so I can see it better here. Look at that. That thing dropped. Okay. Well, here's the previous. Okay. Here's a previous demand zone, and price is moving right there. Okay. Now it's pretty obvious that this is going to be with this big drop off like this big sell off, guys. There's so much imbalance zones right here. Price has to come back and fill this. Okay, price needs to come back up and fill this. Okay, when there's these imbalance zones like this, price is going to come back up. Okay, for liquidity and to fill those imbalance zones. And we're sitting close to our previous demand zone. Okay, support as well. So with that being said, Cat Swiss is a pretty easy analysis right here that we're going to go ahead and buy on the Cat Swiss. Okay. So let's go ahead. Go ahead and buy on the Cat Swiss here. Cat Swiss, buy. All right. So far, we're getting all these trades. We're trying to finish it strong at the end of the week. We got the New Zealand CAD left, the last pair. Um, and I did remember someone wanted me to check the Aussie JPY, so we'll go ahead and check that out for you, Donnie. No problem. So let's go ahead and check the New Zealand cat here. Okay, here's the previous supply zone. Price did break through trend line here. Okay. So let's go take a look at the 50-minute. We got a breakthrough through the trend line. We're obviously in some bullish momentum right now. Yeah. Now, do I see it slowing down? Okay. I see what's going. All right. So check this out. Prices was up. Price was going on this uptrend right here. So we want to look at uh these these lows. Okay. By looking using my MACD, just okay. Using my MACD here, I'm trying to spot out on this uptrend these lows, which is one right here. Okay. We have a low here. And the next low didn't close out, didn't break through. Okay. So let me go ahead and do this for you guys so you can see better. Okay. So on this downtrend here, as you can see, it's red. So that means it's a downtrend. We're marking out the lowest point of that trend, which is this wick right here. Then the next downtrend, price didn't break through it. Okay. Obviously the wick came through, but we usually like to look for two candles closing. That gives us a good confirmation. And then price didn't break in this downtrend right here. But then price came back down and broke through this, coming back up. Okay. Now, by the looks of it, I can tell this wasn't enough momentum. Okay. So if we use the box method here, and we go ahead and we put it, oh, okay. The price did have enough momentum. Uh, okay. Didn't have two candles closing back to back here. Now, price is moving to a supply zone. So as price moves to supply zone, we are gonna get, and also looking at my RSI, we are moving to an overbought position. Okay, so and we're moving to the supply zone, we're moving to our previous resistance. With that being said, price possibly gonna come back down. And looking at liquidity, I would say liquidity was about this would be in the liquidity zone right here. Price kind of pushed past that liquidity zone, but sometimes that happens. This price might be trying to test this resistance, this previous resistance up here. Okay, so we're gonna, and you can see, it looks like we're starting to get a nice little engulf candle here. Okay, so not yet actually. So so with that being said, and sometimes we don't even like to use when it's just three trends like that on the MACD. Sometimes we don't even use that. Okay, so you can see price is still not breaking through that. But as we're moving close to as we're moving too close to support, resistance and supply zone, we're gonna go ahead and sell, and we're gonna go ahead and cost average in as price keeps moving up to this supply zone, if it does. Okay. And do I see any divergence as of right now? Uh, no, I don't see any divergence as of right now. So price could possibly keep moving to that supply zone. Okay. But with our dollar cost averaging, as we sell, the price keeps going back up. We're gonna go ahead and implement that in our strategy because it works. So we're gonna finish it off on the New Zealand CAD, and we're gonna go ahead and sell on the New Zealand CAD, everybody. And that's gonna be it for all these trades today. So there's the recap. Okay, if you want me to repeat it, we just went short on the New Zealand CAD, we're short on the US CAD, and we're short on the Aussie CAD. And the long positions is the CAD Swiss and the Euro US Dollar. So that is the trades for today, guys. Now, someone wanted me to check the Aussie JPY. Okay. So let's go ahead and check the Aussie JPY here for, I believe it's for Donnie. Donnie says the Aussie JPY is going down. Please confirm. Well, the Aussie JPY has definitely come down. Um, Interesting here, Johnny. Let's go ahead and look here. We have a big falling wedge here, Donnie. Usually, when we have this falling wedge, price is going to come back up and then come back down. Okay, it's going to come back up to fill liquidity because there's a lot of imbalance zones here. As you can tell, has a big sell off here. Okay. Now, question is, as price was moving up on this, let's say it's an uptrend here because price broke. Okay, so price went back up, and then price came back down here. So yeah, we're gonna have price move. Price is possibly gonna move back up to fill these imbalance zones right here. Okay, so we got this falling wedge. Price definitely moved back down, Tommy. I don't know when the last time you checked the Aussie JPY. Price definitely moved back down, but we got some consolidation. Price could possibly keep moving back up to fill this liquidity, or um, and by looking at divergence here, you can see we do have positive divergence right now. The price definitely gonna make a move back up to fill that inbound zone. Okay. I hope that helps you, Donnie. If that's what you're looking for. All right, so real quick, everybody, I am gonna show you the Discord channel, okay? So is everyone ready? Is everyone there? I hope everyone's awake. I want to make sure no one's in the bathroom. Is everyone there? Go ahead and put in the chat. We are here and we're ready to see this Discord channel. Just say here. All right, Gary's ready. All right. All right, Jan's ready. Vegas is ready. All right. We got a few people that are awake and ready. Okay. Looks like some people didn't have their coffee this morning. All right, guys. So now I hope it might just give a little stutter here. Hopefully it doesn't lag here as I'm trying to show this to you guys. Now we haven't completely finished this. There is a lot of stuff added in here that you don't even need to look at. Some of the stuff is not going to be necessary. But I just want to give you guys a good little summary here. Okay. All right, Holly's there, Hector, Brian. All right, good. Everyone's awake now. All right, so most people don't know what a Discord channel is. Okay, now it's just a server where you guys will be connected to, where you guys can have access to chats, different channels of talking to each other, sharing. Let's just start off here. Okay, so first thing is we have all these things on the left here, and you're gonna have access to once you verify. Okay. Now, All these, there's a lot of things over here that you don't even need to take, don't even worry about. Okay. So first thing is we have the community. Okay. We have the general chat. This is for anyone that wants to come in here and just talk. Okay. It's a general chat channel. So it's just for chats, just whatever you want to say. Hello, talk to a friend, talk to a neighbor, say hello to me, whatever your cause is, want to talk about whatever you want to talk about. Obviously, there's some rules, can promote things and stuff like that. You can always go ahead and check our rules right here. Okay. Okay. Now we do have role info. Okay. Now we need to change this. Okay. We do have the beginner. So as you get access to our, and the more you get active in the Discord channel, you will be earning points and you'll be leveling up. Okay. Now, we have beginner as a level 5, intermediate level 10, advanced, expert, and elite. Now, this is what we're doing for our members, okay? If you're part of the starter pro member, oh, sorry guys. Ugh, that's what happens when I drink coffee. I start getting a little gassy there. All right, so as you get to level 50, the elite level, okay? For what we're doing for our members that are part of the starter pro membership, when you get to the elite level, you will get 10% off the starter pro member. Okay. Now, when I say to level up, being active in Discord is helping others. If people come in the Discord channel and they got questions, whatever the case is, if you're active and you're being active and part of the community, because this Discord channel is that's the point of it, is building the community. If you're part of it, you will be rewarded. You'll get a ticket that you have to redeem, and you'll get 10% off the starter pro membership. And then level 100 is our top level. Okay, it's going to be called gold. Okay, not God. It's going to be called the gold. And once you get to that, you would get a ticket redeeming that you become a moderator. Now we're only going to be looking for 5 moderators as of now. Okay, and the more people we get involved in this community, we might amp that up. But as of right now, we're looking for 5 moderators, and those 5 moderators are going to be a moderator for the Discord channel. So that means you're going to be in the Discord. You're the most active in the Discord channel, helping others. Okay, so you're helping the community. And what we're going to do for our moderators, our 5 moderators, we're going to give 20% off the Starter Pro membership. Okay, so if you're a part of the Discord channel and you're in here all the time, being active and being part of this community, we're going to reward you. Okay, now that's up to you if you want to, help others and be part of the community. That's just you. So that's gonna be the role info, okay? This is how these are the earnable roles that you're gonna get, okay? That's it. The server booster, contributor, volunteer, don't look at that. I'm gonna get rid of this. Like there's some things I need to get rid of that is just not necessary right now, okay? So there's just a lot of stuff here that's gonna be gone by the time you guys get in this Discord. So that's gonna be how to level up, okay? Now going back to the community, we have the general chat, okay, for people that want to just come in and chat. We have the technical stuff. So if anyone has technical questions, okay, you can come in here and chat. And either me or our moderators, or even just one of you guys that's part of the community chat that's just trying to level up, want to come in here and help someone, go ahead. You're gonna level up and you want to probably level up to the elite level so you can get 10% off. That's up to you. But other than that, this is where we answer technical stuff. Okay. Now, media, we're not gonna have that. We're not gonna have any media and commands and memes. Okay. Um, if people want to start posting memes, then we can keep that in there. But right now, we're gonna just take this out. Uh, and I also got Forex chat. Okay, so if anyone wants to come in here and just talk about Forex, okay, what's going on in the market, this is the channel for that. We got trade ideas. If anyone wants to come in here and share trade ideas, that's what's gonna happen too for our trade ideas. And then I did put a request channel in here just in case if anyone wants to request something else. If they feel like you want a brand new channel in there for something else, you can go ahead and just request it, and we will always take a look at it and make a decision. Okay. Now showcases, we're not gonna have any showcases. This is not an NFT Discord. Now we do have trade alerts. Okay, so my trades will be posted in here. Okay, so uh, you will get all my trade alerts, and you'll get most of the graphics of my trades, so you can see it and me describing why I took this trade. Okay, so all the trades I make, in case you guys missed the trade live sessions, because they're going to be private, you can always go back and check out my trade alerts. But as well, I'm going to be posting them in the Discord channel, a pre-recording of those live sessions. So we got FxBigDog's trades. We're going to have those trade alerts as well. Okay. And here's the resources, is the VIP live trading sessions. So those live trading sessions that I'm doing now, okay, they're, like I said, they're going to be private. We're going to do 4 of them a week. The 3, we're going to change them to 4 a week. Possibly could even move it to 5 later down, but 4 for the week. And they're going to be private for our Starter Pro members. And we're going to post those pre-recordings in these VIP live training sessions for the resources. Okay, so in case you missed those live sessions, you can always come back and watch the pre-recordings. Okay. We will have for the education portal, we will be changing our YouTube and posting different content on YouTube channel. So if you can also go ahead and check out our videos on our YouTube channel as we start changing it up. But we'll be posting those YouTube videos here in the education portal. So you guys can always have the links to those videos. Go ahead and check that out. We'll have information about our brokers and suggestions that will be gone. Voice channels, don't worry about that. Okay. So that is it. I hope you guys are gonna. I hope you guys are excited for this. Oops, just lag right there. Okay. I hope it didn't lag the whole time I was going to show you guys that. So I hope you guys are not too overwhelmed by this. It's very easy. Okay, once you get verified, you're gonna just have these channels to communicate, to share trade ideas, get out trade alerts, get out, pre-recording videos and all that stuff. So we're just trying to build a community here and to make everything easier and quicker to get access to. Okay, so this is gonna be for our Starter Pro members. Okay, as I've said many times, the Starter Pro member is us building a community with each other. Okay, so we're gonna be connected in every way possible. So I hope you guys are excited for this because I'm very excited to launch this for you guys. And that's gonna be it for today, guys. That is gonna be it for today. The launch session today, huh? So with that being said, go ahead. Make sure you go and smash that like button, support the channel. Again, if you guys have not, really appreciate that, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Traders Network Club. You can also go ahead and check out FxBigDog's YouTube channel too and subscribe there. Go ahead and make sure, just a reminder, make sure you go ahead and check his video yesterday. He had a live session yesterday talking about the Fed rate decision. So go ahead and check that out as well. So thank you guys for being here and watching the video and supporting us. You guys have a beautiful, wonderful weekend. Enjoy the weekend, and we'll get back next week on Tuesday, same time as always. And I'll see you guys there. Take care.